Hi, in this video I'll show you how to solve valid anagram from LeetCode. Given two strings s and t, so they're right here, s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s, otherwise return false. So what is anagram? Basically a different rearrangement of this in terms of letter. It doesn't need to make sense, but you just want to make sure that all the letters that appear here should also appear in the other one, in the other string. So all the letters in S appears in T. Here you see not all the letters appear, so I cannot see T, for example. So this is false, it's not an anagram. So one way to solve this, let's start by taking this word rat. So if we have the word rat, what we can do is we can create a dictionary. For example, we can loop through this, so we can just take the R and then give it a count of 1. We have seen this letter once. Then go to the next letter, A, and say, hey, I've seen this letter once. And then go to the next letter, T, and then say, hey, I've seen this letter once. So now I have a dictionary that contains the letters and their count. Now I'm going to take T. So now I'm finished with this. Now I'm going to take T. And then let's just start from the end for the sake of argument. And I'm going to say, hey, is the letter R in the dictionary? And you go like, oh yeah, there it is. Okay, take that count down to 0. And then A, hey, is this letter in the dictionary? Yeah, it is. Okay, take that count to 0. Hey, is the letter C there? No. Then you just automatically return false because obviously there is a letter missing. If this, for example, would have had one more letter, let's say this was tar. So in this case, T will go down to 0, A will go down to 0, but R is going to go down to -1. So then what you can do is you want to check that all of these values are 0 to ensure that there's no one more letter on a string S than T or vice versa. So let's start by creating the dictionary. So now we've created the dictionary, and now let's start looping through S. So let's say for letter in S, if this letter is not in the dictionary, oh, let's not do this. Let's call this thing to value, dictionary and value. If this letter that let me try to get a cleaner one. Yeah. So let's take this word rat, since it's just short and easy. Oops. And we say, hey, are you R? Are you in the dictionary value? Nope, I'm not. Okay, please add me. So what you would say is add it with 1. And what basically this does is, all it does is this, R1. In the dictionary value, at position L, letter, which is R, add 1. Hey, what if I'm already there? Then I want you to simply iterate me by 1. So if this already exists, then it becomes 2, then it becomes 3. So you ensure there are equal number of letters. Once you're done iterating, so here this for loop, once this for loop is finished executing, then you're done with S. Now you want to jump and look at T. Okay, so you want to do the same thing for letter in T. If this letter is not in the dictionary values, you can immediately return false. There is nothing to check. So if you already have R, A, and T, and then you start here, this will be the letter C. And if this letter C is not already in here, so it will be like this. If this letter is not already, you can immediately return false. But if you do find the letter, then what I want you to do is take it down by -1. So you're reducing the count by 1. And then if you have successfully managed to survive this for loop, so ideally these will all equal 0. Oops. Then you can write here for value in LeetCode values. So basically what this does is that it looks at all the values here on the right side, If any of this value don't equal 0, then we return false. Otherwise, return true. Now let's see. So name value, oh yeah, sorry. And there we go. We got our answer. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. If you've learned something new, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to show support. Thanks for watching.